Yeah, hello all. Welcome back to my session. As a part of our InfyTQ DBMS training, today we discussed about SQL operations. Okay, SQL operations. Okay. In the previous session, we discussed all DDL and DML and DQL commands. As a part of our training, we discussed all the commands. Okay. If you not go through my previous sessions, please subscribe Eazy Btech channel. Okay, then you will get notifications once I upload my total videos. This Eazy Btech channel is very useful for your Btech career. Okay, now we check about what is SQL operations, all those things. I think according to schedule already we completed up to 10 sessions, all basic commands in SQL. We have advanced commands. Okay, SQL operations and aggregate functions. Then we go with the normalization, and very important is coming sessions we go with the sample SQL questions. Okay, what are the previous questions in InfyTQ and what are the expected question in InfyTQ? Okay, now we check with what are the SQL operations. Okay, SQL operations. If we want to perform any SQL operations, okay, we working on the SQL commands. Okay, already in the previous sessions we created a database and we insert the values. Okay, now we check how to SQL operations. Okay, I think already we discussed about select command. What is the use of select command? Select command is used for to retrieve the data, that is called as a DQL. How to select a value? Select attribute list where is a class. By using the where condition we can access. Okay, SQL operations. What are the SQL operations? Okay, normally if you take any programming language, we have operators. C language having some around 8 operators, same C++, Python, Java. Similarly, here also we have operations, that is operator, this is operations. Okay, here we have to perform operations, specific operations to filter the data. We are using SQL operations. What is the use of SQL operations? SQL operations are used to retrieve the data from a database using some filters. I think filters, this concept already we discussed. Where we discussed? Yes. Anyone? Yes. Relational algebra. In the relational algebra, what is the use of relational algebra? In the relational algebra, we have two types. Relational query language, we have two types: procedural and non-procedural. In the non-procedural language, we have a domain relational calculus and tuple relational calculus. What is the use of domain relational calculus? What is the use of tuple relational calculus? Domain relational calculus and tuple relational calculus both are used for filtering the data. Okay, if you want, previously in the previous session when we are using the select command, when you are using the select command, we can retrieve entire data. Suppose in this example, okay, in this example, select star from person. Okay, total 10 records. Get the total 100 records, 6 records. No, here I am having, suppose select star from student 100. Okay, in the previous session we developed this particular database and insert the values. Okay, here we have total 6 records. Okay, I wanted to only some CST student. I wanted to filter only who are the students, branch belongs to CSC, only EC student, only mechanical student. Okay, at the time we go with these SQL operations. SQL operations are basically used for to filtering the data from a database. Okay, here we have a 6 records, no problem. If you take a normal generalizer, if supermarket data, suppose if you take some DMart, whatever it may be, if you have a data set, if you want to find, okay, okay, how many people purchase some specific item, okay, specific item, at the time we go with the SQL operations. Okay, basically SQL operations are classified into 5 types. First one is and, or, not. Next one is between. Third one is in. Fourth one is string operations. Okay, fourth one is string operations. Fifth one is set operations. Okay, now first we go with the and, or, not operation. Before we discussed about and or not operation, Okay, I'm explaining about what is the difference between the delete and truncate. It is also very important. Delete, what is the use of delete? In the previous session we discussed about delete command. What is the use of truncate? Okay, first I wanted to check table select star from tab. Okay, this is a command used to retrieve the all the commands, user defined commands as user defined tables, databases and predefined databases. Suppose let's see, select star from stu14. Okay, no rows are selected. stu1, yes, stu1 also no table, stu14 also no values, stu10 stu10 also no values. Okay, suppose I'm creating one table, simple table, create some student, okay, Ravi, create table some Ravi, or I'm creating some emp employee, emp id number 20 and emp name varchar 2 of 10, then emp sal some number 10 comma 2. 2 is the precision. Okay, table created. Now I'm insert the values, insert into emp values. Here I'm enter the values, emp id some 560 and employee name is some Rahul. Okay, and employee salary is around some 50,000. This one row is created. Now I'm insert another row. Okay, employee number is, I think already you know we are creating a table, insert a values in different two syntaxes. One is single column, single tuple wise. Otherwise, if you want to insert n number of records, we are using address operator. Abhi salary is some 80,000. So please note it, 80,000. Next, just I'm insert only. Okay, another value, Sari, and the salary is some 70,000. Yes, 3 rows. Select star from EMP. The EMP table having 4 records. Okay, here I am doing forward backward slash. When we perform the backward slash, okay, perform the previous operation. That's why when 2 rows, okay, Abhi with 2 rows. Okay, now I want to delete from EMP. Okay, where some EMP ID equal 560. Okay, one row deleted. Now you check this one. Okay, truncate table name. Now I wanted to check. Okay, no rows are selected. Why? Because truncate, what is the difference between the delete and truncate? Delete is used for to delete a specific row. Okay, in the previous, first of all, we have a 4 values. Now we have only, once we have to perform the delete operation, we have 3. When we do the truncate operation, Okay, delete the entire data. That is the difference between the delete and truncate. Now you check. Okay, the no rows are okay. At least there is a database described. We have EMP database. Okay, the structure. Now drop EMP, drop table name, table name, table drop. Now you want to check the structure. No. Okay, object. Okay, EMP does not exist. Yeah, please note it. Okay, what is the difference between the truncate? What is the difference between the truncate, delete and drop? Okay, delete is 1 minute. Very important in the campus placements. Okay, first drop, first delete. What is the use of delete? Delete is used for to delete only specific row, or tuple in a given condition. Okay, in the previous example, given condition. Okay, in the previous example, here we are giving a condition. What is the condition? Delete. Okay, delete from employee where employee ID equal 560. Previously we have 4 records. Now only we have a 2 records. Okay, 3 records. Why? Because we delete in only specific. Okay, what is the truncate? Okay, truncate is used to delete all the rows. All the rows means total content, total data in a table. Okay, check here. We are performing truncate table name. Okay, after that, if you want to select the data, no. Why? Because here no rows selected. Okay, that's why here we have a no rows. Completely data is removed. Next one is drop. What is the use of drop? Delete or remove. Not delete, remove total structure of database. Okay, total structure. Okay, now after perform the drop operation, drop table name, I want to retrieve the structure of the database. That is not possible. Why? Because the drop table is used for, drop command is used for delete the entire database, the structure of the database. Okay, that is the difference between the drop, truncate and delete. Okay, please note it. Very important as for campus placements. What is the difference between the drop, truncate and delete? Okay, now we go with our operations. SQL operations. Okay, first if you wanted to perform the SQL operations, we check with all the tables. Select star from student 100. Next PR 100. Yes. Yeah, please practice these queries, and if you have any queries, let me know. Comment me. Okay, if you wanted to do like that, if you want, you are subscribe Eazy Btech channel. Okay, once you subscribe Eazy Btech channel, easily you can get the notifications, as well as if you have any queries, you can comment me. That's why subscribe Eazy Btech channel, and also forward to your friends. Okay, share in your peer group. Okay, now we perform. And what are the operations? First operation is and or not. Okay, first operation is and or not. First, perform a logical operations. Okay, and or not is used for perform a logical operations. Okay, here I am giving a query. Select star from PER 100, comma STU 100. I think already you know those are in a relation. Okay, PER 100 and STR 100 is a relation. PR100 dot student ID equal stu100 dot student ID and here I am using and some PID equal, so just only I want to retrieve some Sandeep 632513456. Okay, select star from two tables, person table and student table, where person.100 student ID and equal student ID, and we are giving the condition. What is the condition? PID equal 632513456. No rows are selected. Invalid number. Okay. What is the problem here? I'm performing some integrity constraint. What is the integrity constraint? Domain integrity constraint. That's the problem. Yes. Okay. We get the Sandeep details. Okay. Select star from PR table 1 and table 2, where we are filtering a data. How to filter the data? Compulsory that data is exist in two tables. Okay, two tables. Sandeep is exist in the first table as well as second table. Okay, first table and second table, and also the PID equal. Just only I want to retrieve Sandeep data. PID. What is Sandeep data? This one. Okay. This is AND operations. Now I perform OR operation. We can get all the values. OR means we can get all the values. Either the person maybe Sandeep or anyone. Okay. Here we get the Sandeep, Ravi, Sandeep. Okay. Again, Ramu, Sandeep, Sai. Okay. Sandeep, Varin, Sandeep. Okay. Check with all the conditions. Okay. That's why every time Sandeep is retrieved. Sandeep, Ravi. Okay. Sandeep, Ramu. Okay. Sandeep, Varin. Okay. And Sandeep and Kalpana. R means either. Okay, either first one or second one. Okay, satisfy the first one and second one. First condition. What is the first condition? Okay, compulsory it is a Sandeep, or if the first value exists in the second value. The first value exists in the second value. Okay. This is filtering. Okay, suppose if you have a doubt, sir, we retrieve all the values when we are performing the AND operations. What is the need? Suppose some management students no need to add, create some scholarship, not apply for this scholarship. Okay, you are insert one more record in the student table. You check, you perform same operation. 1 minute. Select star from STU100. STU100 is okay. Now I want to insert into STU100 values. Student ID equal 555. Student name equal. Why I am not remember all the student names. Some Vignesh. Okay, and student branch is CSC. Okay, student fee is a management person, is paid 75,000. One row created. Now you check, you are using the same. Can you get Vignesh here? Oh, Okay, sorry, and here we are using we are not get any Vignesh. Okay, we can get Kalpana, Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep. Okay, either or first condition or second condition. Okay, suppose for that 1 minute. Here I am remove this. Okay, here we are not get any Vignesh. Only we are retrieve the only 6 rows. Okay, why? Because we are giving 1 minute. Select star from PER values where PER 100 equal. Check here. Okay, we get the Sandeep, Ravi, Ramu and Sai, Varun, Kalpana. We get 2 values. Okay, what are the values in 1, 2, 3? Actually, how many rows in the student table? We have 7 rows, but we can retrieve only 6 values. Why? Because only these 6 values is available in the both tables. Okay, this is about first condition. We completed and or. Now we go with the in. Okay, next condition is and or not. NOT not. In. Next one is in 1 minute. Next one is in. For that I want to select star from student 100. Now we check. We have select star from STU 100 where some STU branch. Okay, only I want to retrieve CSC student. STU branch in CSC. Okay, only we can retrieve the STU branch in CSC. STU branch in the CSC. Okay, next between. The range. Okay, suppose I want to know about the fee between some 50,000 to 45,000 to and 50,000. I want to retrieve the and some 50,000. Sorry, not student branch. Student fee. Why? Because student fee. Okay, student fee between those values. Okay, this is about SQL operations. Please practice. Okay, these are the SQL operations. Please go through the total video. If you have any doubts, please comment me. Next session we go with the aggregate functions and string operations.